Good evening, children. During our practical one that I discussed last time, we had written about the various stages of mitosis in the animal cell and the plant cell. I had clearly briefed you about the diagrams, the labelings, and the written part. I had explained you how to finish your works. I expect that all of you have completed your practical 1 assignment, children. So today we are going to start with practical number 2. We will start like this. On a new sheet, that is the rule sheet, you will write down practical number 2. Please use black pen for the headings. Today's date, 11th of July. And after that, you will write down the aim of experiment. It is to show that plants transpire through leaves. Then leave a line, and then comes your second heading as requirements or apparatus. You may use the word apparatus, all right? And then a potted plant, a pot with soil, 2 bell jars, Vaseline, and polythene bags and glass plates. Procedure. This procedure means this is the third heading and this is the working of the experiment. So you may leave one line after every heading. This is our third heading. First was aim of experiment. Second is apparatus. The third heading is procedure. Water the potted plant. Keep the potted plant on glass plate. This is the glass plate that we're talking about, right? Cover the pot and soil with polythene bag. Invert bell jar over the potted plant. This equipment or the apparatus, this is the bell jar made up of glass and shaped like a bell. Then apply Vaseline at the edges of the bell jar, that is here towards the bottom where it is touching the glass plate. We will apply Vaseline to make it airtight. Observe after some time. Set up another control experiment exactly in the same way, omitting the plant. That means another experiment exactly like this and everything same minus the plant. So here the heading that you may write will be control. You can write A and B. This is A, this is B. So B is control and A is experimental setup. So this is the heading for your diagram, children. On the left hand side when you draw, A, labelings are very clear, experimental setup, and on the right side will be B as control. Then, so this is the pot containing soil must be covered with polythene bag. You're explaining this. So that was your third heading. Moving on to your fourth heading, observations. That means what you're going to see after some time. The interior of bell jar becomes misty after some time in the experiment in which potted plant is used. That is here. This becomes misty or collection of droplets of water are seen. The drops of water appear on the inner surface of bell jar. Inference. Inference means what are you going to deduce or form a view about the experiment, what have you understood, right, by the working. So the condensation of water drops on the inner surface of the bell jar proves the process of transpiration. There is no source of water drops in the bell jar for other than loss of water than the exposed parts of the potted plant. Such a loss of water from the aerial parts of a plant is called transpiration. So you have successfully explained that the water coming is through the plant only. In the second control experiment, no water appears on the inner surface of bell jar because there is no plant to release water vapors by transpiration. Here you have not used any plant, so therefore there will be no water drops collected. Next, precautions. Number 1, keep the apparatus undisturbed. 2, do not place the apparatus in very warm place. Then the third precaution, it will be use a glass slab at the base of experiment. 4, seal the edges of the bell jar to stop the entry of air. And the last, that is the fifth precaution, is cover the soil and exterior of pot with polythene bag. So that's all for your experiment number 2. A very simple work, children, to write. This won't take very long for you to begin. You're starting from here the written part, and ending up at the fifth precaution over here. And this will be your diagram, children. On the left hand side, you please write down this heading to demonstrate the process of transpiration A and B, and the heading at the top of A will be experimental setup and at the top of B will be control. I hope I have been very clear to explain it, children. Please try to complete your practical works and submit it on the Google window. Today is 11th, so by 14th you can submit. So I can check your works and I can definitely tell you for any corrections if you require so. Thank you.